The United States Department of Defense has been engaged in a search for a successor to the venerable and battle-tested Blackhawk helicopter for over 10 years. In the Bell V-280 Valor, the department appears to have found a suitable replacement. The V-280 is a state-of-the-art tiltrotor aircraft that aims to become the initial joint multi-role technology demonstrator aircraft of the future vertical lift program. Compared to the Blackhawk, the V-280 boasts twice the speed and range, providing higher fuel efficiency that reduces logistical and security footprints. Furthermore, the Valor was designed to excel in long-range assaults, with the capacity to swiftly deliver or extract up to 14 troops into hot zones or transport wounded personnel to safety in its medevac role. The aircraft is powered by Rolls-Royce's AE1107F engines, the company's latest innovation, ensuring that the V-280 can achieve all of its objectives with unprecedented speed and maneuverability, surpassing both the Blackhawk and the Osprey while emerging unscathed from high-risk scenarios. Future Vertical Lift Program. The United States Department of Defense has undertaken an ambitious project known as Future Vertical Lift, which aims to develop a range of military helicopters for all branches of the armed forces. The project's ultimate objective is to produce 5 separate aircraft, each varying in size and designed to replace the CH-47 Chinook, UH-60 Blackhawk, AH-64 Apache, and OH-58 Kiowa. All 5 helicopters will share a range of standard hardware, including engines, countermeasures, avionics, and sensors. The Department of Defense first initiated the development of these state-of-the-art helicopters in the aftermath of Operation Iraqi Freedom and Operation Enduring Freedom. Studies conducted during these military operations concluded that the rotorcraft fleet was wearing out faster than expected due to the constant flight operations in the Middle East. In 2009, the Secretary of Defense presented an initiative to focus all vertical lift technology development on a joint multi-role JMR helicopter program. 2 years later, the Future Vertical Lift Strategic Plan was outlined to establish the development of next-generation vertical lift aircraft that would become part of all branches. According to the Future Vertical Lift Strategic Plan, the helicopter fleet would be completely replaced within the next 25 to 40 years. As of today, the Future Vertical Lift program contemplates 5 different joint multi-role helicopter configurations. The JMR Light will replace the OH-58 Kiowa, while the JMR Medium will replace the Blackhawk and Apache. The JMR Heavy will replace the Chinook, and the JMR Ultra will replace the C-130J Hercules. However, the JMR Medium Light aircraft has not been specified yet. Joint Multi-Role Helicopter. The Department of Defense, DoD, established specific requirements for the Joint Multi-Role JMR aircraft concept. Among these requirements, the JMR aircraft had to reach speeds of approximately 260 miles per hour, operate in altitudes of around 6,000 feet and 35 degrees Celsius, and have an unrefueled range of 530 miles. In addition, the JMR design had to excel in a wide range of missions, including medical evacuation, humanitarian assistance, cargo transport, special warfare support, submarine warfare, anti-surface warfare, search and rescue operations, and other types of procedures. In March of 2013, the Army requested proposals for the JMR aircraft, and several designs were submitted. The designs were unveiled at the Army Aviation Association of America's annual professional forum and exposition in June. After careful evaluation, Bell Helicopter announced that its V-280 Valor design had been chosen by the Army for the Joint Multi-Role Technology Demonstrator phase. This phase served as a prelude to the future vertical lift aircraft. Bell then announced that it would collaborate with other agencies to develop weapons, sensors, avionics, and other technologies for its design. Subsequently, Bell subcontractor Spirit Aerosystems announced that it began assembling the prototype's fuselage, which was delivered in September of 2015. The Valor took its first flight in 2017 with outstanding results. The JMR aircraft concept has since undergone further development and refinement, demonstrating the Army's commitment to innovation and excellence in aviation technology. The V-280 Valor. The V-280 is an advanced aircraft that boasts a state-of-the-art design that is similar to the Osprey. However, unlike the Osprey, the V-280's engines remain stationary, while the rotors and driveshafts tilt to achieve forward motion. It has a Delta configuration, retractable landing gear, and a triple redundant fly-by-wire control system that allows for precise and efficient control of the aircraft. This magnificent aircraft has a crew capacity of 4 and can carry up to 14 soldiers or a payload of up to 8,000 pounds. It measures an impressive 50 feet in length, 81 feet in width, and 23 feet in height, making it an imposing presence in the sky. The V-280 has been designed to be highly versatile and functional, with a range of features that make it stand out from its competitors. It boasts two 6-inch wide side doors that allow for rapid ingress and egress, as well as enhanced situational awareness and sensing technologies that ensure a safe and efficient flight. The wings of the V-280 are made of carbon fiber reinforced by polymer composite, which reduces costs and weight while increasing durability and efficiency. The aircraft also features a self-deployable system that allows it to be quickly deployed to any location, making it ideal for military and emergency response operations. In addition, the V-280 has been designed to meet the Army's JMR and vertical lift program specifications, which means that it has reduced sustainment costs and unprecedented variant commonality. Compared to the Blackhawk, it has twice the speed and range, doubling its operational reach. This makes it an ideal aircraft for military operations, as it eliminates the need for positioning, operational and logistical support in the effective range of current threat precision fires. The V-280 also has higher fuel efficiency, which reduces logistical and security footprint. This makes it an ideal aircraft for a wide range of operations, from military missions to emergency response operations. Overpowering the Blackhawk, the V-280 Valor is a groundbreaking tiltrotor aircraft that offers exceptional agility and speed to warfighters. It has been designed to expand the medevac helicopter range and coverage area by 5 times the range of a current helicopter. The Valor's unique configuration and assembly provide the agility that warfighters have been asking for during the last decade. Pilots can overcome any mission with the speed and range of a turboprop aircraft, an advanced agility that surpasses that of a traditional helicopter. Moreover, the Valor can pitch, roll and yaw with ease, providing airmen with the ultimate tool for unmatched maneuverability. One of the most impressive features of the V-280 Valor is that it has been designed to land in the same size footprint as a Blackhawk, and can fit into a standard Army or Navy handler space. This means that despite being a tiltrotor aircraft, it can be deployed in areas where larger aircraft cannot go. Jeff Schlesser, retired Army Major General and Executive Vice President of Strategic Pursuits for Bell's Washington operations, stated in a press release that the V-280 Valor will carry a squad of Army soldiers or a squad of Marines to an assault area faster and increase the lethality compared to the V-22 Osprey, which is a larger platform and more of a utility aircraft. Schlesser also noted that the Valor and its unique features will become critical for saving lives and completing missions when delivering or extracting troops on a hot landing zone. As a veteran, Schlesser believes that the Valor will help troops to use the fast rope insertion extraction system, or FRIES, removing the intense heat and rotor wash of a V-22. Rolls-Royce, AE1107F. Bell and Rolls-Royce have partnered to design and optimize the propulsion system for the V-280 Valor, which is competing for the Army's future long-range assault aircraft program. The propulsion system of the V-280 Valor will be powered by the AE1107F engine, a time-tested and battle-proven engine that has garnered over 100 million flight hours on aircraft, such as the MV-22 Osprey C-130Js, and other aircraft operated by the Marines, Navy, Air Force, and Coast Guard. The AE1107F engine is being developed around the proven and widely used AE family of engines, which have an 80% commonality in their manufacture and share a common engine core. Rolls-Royce has stated that the EE engines are produced cost-effectively on one engine assembly line at their modern manufacturing facility in Indianapolis, where the engines for the V-280 Valor will also be manufactured. The V-280 Valor will be powered by 2 AE1107F engines, which will provide the aircraft with impressive power, increased range, enhanced survivability, and an advanced infrared suppression system. The V-280 Valor's propulsion system will enable it to have a cruise speed of 320 miles per hour, a ferry range of over 2,400 miles, and a service ceiling of some 6,000 feet. The Valor's engines will be manufactured in the US, where Rolls-Royce has one of the most modern manufacturing facilities in the world. On October 6, 2022, the Army announced that it was close to deciding which design would replace the UH-60 Blackhawk and introduce the second rotorcraft into American service after introducing the V-22 Osprey. Steve Trimble, a defense editor at Aviation Week, believes that the Army's choice could have profound implications for future airborne assault and medical evacuation missions. The selection will also open a new era for the US rotorcraft industrial base. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel to find more exciting content, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified of our newest videos. Stay tuned for more.